Today I woke up feeling like going the streets with my 35mm after school and get a few shots. But now it's about 3:30 p.m. and I feel quite drained from the lessons, but still, I'll give it a try. Wow, I like the light and the foliage here. It's a bit of a too wide scene for my 35mm, but still we'll try to make it work. Just like almost every day recently, the light is so nice, but somehow I don't feel like it today. So let me jump in here really quick and interrupt the other me making the voiceover just like it was in real time, but I wanted to use this video to talk to you about the importance of letting your photos breathe. And what I mean by that is that in some situations, when you come back from your photo shoot, it might be a good solution not to edit your photos straight away. So during these 2 days of shooting, I was not really having my best time ever navigating the streets and trying to get some cool shots. I felt a bit frustrated at times when not being able to get what I wanted and a bit uninspired. One other thing, especially on day one, is that I probably had too much of a big lunch and I was not feeling very energetic in the afternoon. So after cutting short on these photo session, I came back home and as usual I upload all the pictures on my computer. One thing led to another and I didn't really have the time to edit the pictures straight away, which in the end was probably a good thing. And it's only one night, 2 weeks later, that I finally had the time to have a look at those photos, and actually it led to me having really fresh eyes and all that unrelated to the bad sensations and the bad feeling I had during those 2 days shooting. As a result, with this renewed mindset, I found a bunch of good photos and enjoyed a lot of my time editing. I won't try to convince you to always give time to your photos before editing, because we've probably all had a really good day of shooting once and the only thing we want to do is come back home and edit the picture straight away, which is totally fine, I think. But one thing for sure, if I edited all these pictures straight away after coming back home with this pretty much bad mindset I was in, I would probably have ended up deleting a lot of pictures and being quite unhappy about how they looked. Pretty warm outside today. been a while since I used my little 50mm pancake manual lens, so yeah, today why not give it a go. The other day I stumbled upon a Instagram post talking about the zone focusing, so I want to try it for myself. I don't know if the markers on my lens are really accurate, but I can't really get any good shots with this method, so I'll get back to turning on the focus picking and try my best. I really like this lens because of this portability. It's so small and so light. My wrist is really happy today, but I feel like it's lacking some contrast, and I can already say it in the back screen. I hope I can get back some of it with some Lightroom magic, but I don't know. Today too the light is quite nice, and somehow it has already this kind of film vibe, so I think I will go for that vibe in the editing process. Spent quite some time to try to perfect this composition, because there was just something so special with this picture of this lady on the wall and people just walking in front of it. So I was trying to be creative with it, and one thing that I'm applying quite a lot recently is not sticking to the widest aperture on my lens. In that case this 50mm is going down to f2, but that day I was shooting a lot at f5.6, f8 to have more in focus and have more layers in my pictures. This one too is another great example of that. We have the main subject in the middle of the frame, but the guy on the bicycle on the right, but also another guy in the back just eating his hamburger, I guess. So yeah, it's quite interesting. So as always, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to read your feedbacks and comments in the comment section. And with that, we catch up in the next one. Bye.